Hello there. Today I've been asked to have a look at this by one of my neighbours. Now apparently the cassette deck isn't playing, so it could be something simple, I don't know, but we'll have a look at what it's doing. So I've got the power lead plugged in and we'll just open the cassette door and have a look at what's happening when we press play. Right. Well, I can see straight away that the take-up reel is turning. I don't know whether you can see that on camera. In the middle of the screen there. I can also make out that the capstan's turning just here. I can see it going round, but the pinch roller isn't. And it does feel very, very slippery. In fact, it looks quite shiny. So it might just want a bit of a clean. Oh, wait a minute. Perhaps not. I don't know whether you can make that out, but I can see a load of tape wrapped around it there. So that's probably the problem. Now, he didn't mention anything about him getting a tape caught up in it or anything. So it may just be a case of untangling that old tape from around the pinch roll and it might work. Let me get some tweezers and we'll see what we can do about removing that tape. Right, so I think you can see it a bit clearer now. The brown tape right around that pinch roller. So I'm going to try and get it off with my tweezers. Now it's going to be awkward for me to actually film this and you be able to see what I'm doing. But let's have a look what I can do. I'm going to just start by trying to catch the end of it there. There's a piece down here, I think. If I can just get hold of it. Well, there's a bit of it. Here we go. How much is there, I wonder? Oh, hold up. Quite a bit. Right, well, that's the tape out. Let's have a look inside there now. Yeah, it looks alright. Right, I'm going to get some IPA and give that pinch roll a clean. Right, let's give this a bit of a clean up. With a bit of IPA. And then we'll try taping it. Right, if we press play and let the capstan drive the pinch roll around. Wait a minute, I'm getting more of my cotton bud wrapped around it then. Right, go to the other side of it. Give it a bit of a clean up. I think that'll do. Right, let's find a tape and see what it does. Right, so I found a tape, a bit of Peggy Lee, 22 golden hits. Let's give it a try. Now, I wouldn't suggest putting a decent tape in, one that you're bothered about for the initial test, but I'm not too bothered about this. Let's give it a play.
Never know how much I love you.
Yep, that'll do. It's working. We don't want a copyright strike, do we? So it's fast forwarding, it's rewinding, it's playing. So yeah, that seems to have cured it. Just a bit of tape really. I've just found out off my neighbour that he actually bought this from a car boot sale about a fortnight ago for £2, and it was in that condition when he bought it. So I think he's had a good result there, to be honest. I presume that the CD player works. He didn't say there was a problem with that. So there you go. Not a very interesting video, I must admit, but it might help somebody in the future if they do happen to find that they've got a cassette deck that isn't working. You know, a little bit of tape stuck somewhere where it shouldn't. Anyway, many thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one.